FC Goa kadang ni tim ki shimat na kaduran kap ka balanga Shillong badang shen kala penlim be karang rajit ak jela kai be itan bhana sa ko lalai u coach jong ka FC Goa ude u Israel Gurung we ni ki player batit bha jong jela ka ISL menta u Gurung lalong u coach jong ni ka tim na po Goa u Gurung dang shen ule thu bo ude u shakri jong play bat bunsin u je kendu i gejing e ha jela kai football ka jong u bat ka por bo Mynsaw badin ba ka bo phai cho play na ka por ka por uyo ya Ïarap na ublay. Kini kalong ba ulah pala ha kajakan ba Reverend Dr. Bat kapad dunay haba wana Shillong nagat baga team FC Goa.
Here with me is Israel Gurung. He's the coach of this football team, and they're now in Shillong and is coaching this Goa team. Can you tell me something about your Goa team?
Yeah, hi. I'm present. I'm coaching in FC Goa, which is a ISL team now. My team is taking a participate in this Durand Cup. So we are here living in right now. I'm in Shillong, so just we're enjoying the place and the weather. It's really wonderful.
You know, Israel and I first time we met today, but we had known each other for the last 8 years. And he has a very good testimony how when he was going through some injury because he was playing from some area clubs, and he can tell you about those clubs and how he got injured. Then he went for treatment, and finally it was God who intervened and he can play again.
Yeah. It was a very tough time. As we know, like a football, it's a physical challenged and physical contact game. So I was going through a very bad phase. Like I have injured my knee, and I've gone through a surgery. I've did a lot of rehabilitation. Then I think we talked on a phone 8 years ago. So even he has prayed a lot for me, and thank you very much for all the things that if I can remember. And finally, yes, the hard work that God blessed me. God blessed me, and again I started playing football for quite a long time. And now I am very much happy that I have spent my playing career now being as a coach. Now everything is all right. I think sometimes being a sportsman, we forget there is someone above us. But when we start to seek his help or the blessings that we get from him, it's really amazing.
Wonderful how I came in contact with him. You see, one of his aunties, she was studying in a Bible college called Kohima Bible College in Nagaland. And at that time, my wife also, she was not married to me. She was single. My wife, she is from Nagaland. And she was her classmates and they very good friends. And later on, after my wife and I were, were married, and we came to Shillong and stayed here. I have a Facebook account, and his auntie, she used to follow me. Then one day I got a message inbox by her that her nephew, one of her nephews, his name is Israel Gurung, he was playing with some club football and then he got injured, and he was taken for surgery and treatment, but it seemed nothing worked. So she was asking me to please pray for him. So I said, okay. Later on, we got connected by phone, and from that time on, 8 years back, since we came in touch with one another, I used to pray with him a lot on the phone now and then, and sometimes send messages. He sent messages to me, but we never met till today. We came, in touch on a personal basis. I'm so happy to have him on this channel that he can tell you more about his Christian experience, how you met Jesus, and But you went to school in Shillong.
Yes.
Tell me, when was that?
It was a long time back, like I was here. So for me, this place is like, I feel it's very beautiful, and like it's very close to me. I feel one of the best place in India, I must say, if I'm very honest. So see, as a player, like I was born in a Christian family. Sometime when we grow, when we become popular, or when we reach in some level, that the pride comes in. That is, I have to be very honest. I'll be very honest with you guys. So sometimes we forget. Sometimes we think like that is all because of our own strength, our knowledge, understanding. But the fact, the truth is that there is some mercies, the God's mercies on us. That is where the gods help us to be somewhere else. He takes us to some height, but sometimes we forget. So that is the time I feel like there is a God's way of bringing us back, and that is where I feel like that injured, that I was here. I met you on the phone, and you prayed for me. There is all the things that God has planned. I feel. But today I'll tell all the people, those who are here, there is something above us, that is God. So whatever we are doing, we need to praise God at the end of the day. That is his willingness, his mercies, his blessings. That is all will take us to some extent. So for me, Christ is everything. Now, after I become a coach, I recall sometimes the people that I met in my journey. It's all God wish. And maybe I think like I could have not met many people if 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 I don't know the Jesus or something, because one way or other I met you. It was a good thing, because you prayed for me without knowing each other. That is how I'm very thankful to you as well. And today I met finally after 8 years. It's a great day. It's it's one of the great day I feel.
The grace of God,
Yeah.
and all because of the grace of God. So thank you so much. We're doing this in English, but let me address those who are listening from the local dialect in Khasi. They hanging around, but when you player football Ponam, ISL Gurung, but mentau long coach yang ke team ke ba ilek duran cup baudan po Shalong. Tigma prasta mensha uni ula ilek football nadu udang kam kena sama he. Ka por ka yai kom tu lai ilek negi club katu ane. Dia wei ka por pat yo ye ne ka jingpang ka kejat nambar ba don ke Mynsaw. Dia la lei pak samar yu dari alam bonyo ji somar ki hostel ki ba kato ni tekan po India Hynrei kai buka le operation surgery ba kini kita ke yung bersang banjarap na yang berkonsensus ya kelam mara ya ka jing yo ke jing penkhia pura ene ka kejat ke busitom yo em ke jing do je kemen de kum ta ka por yo ka we ka message ha ka Facebook ke jonga te ke ba surat hang ni long ba kani ba fa message kari anti jong Israel bat ka ya puli lang mensua bat I lok jonga hapo ka Bible College Kohima Bible College te ka kala itu bat hadin ke pat ba de betok mga bat te ka follow ini ka Facebook bat ka iba kumno blay ule ki kamba ka jisang ba fere kalen ke India kalen grup saya mengenai elap kalen wa Shalong ru bagi ba pala gijing ja kamba jong blay teka pa to inbox message bay to spang jong don kam jing duwai don kam merkel kamba ka jong blay te nang tagang sa connect lang kom ni Israel bat mga daga phone si phone de sa sang banduay nang ta te suki ka kejat ka jong bat ka yo ka jing pansia pa pura ba din ko to le football dang kamilisyo bat mentau don Shalong nam ta ni ka doran cup bat nga songo blay na marbang impat jikandu markaman na marmet tam takasihi ketpentau ka jing songo blay kom ulay thu ka blay le ka jing bujungo ba lam yu bo la ban chari utrai tingene long ru khubor ki no sam baro ba jang no jing tete bo Jisu udan banyara ifi. I was just telling that if there's any difficulty they can just call on Jesus. He's always there to help them. Okay, God bless you. Bless you, Bon. And you want to say anything?
Yeah, there is always above us the God Jesus Christ. Whatever problem, maybe I think we are in this world. It's a difficult time. Every people will face a problem, but there is always a hope. You can hope, you can pray, you can cry. There is always a Christ who is gonna hear us. That is the only message that what I've experienced till now. Whenever I face a problem, maybe sometimes we think like because of our wisdom, our knowledge, our strength, we can do many things, but that is all at the end of the day. That is all. If there is no God's mercy on us, I don't think we can achieve anything. So guys, please don't feel shame, because the God is I don't know, I cannot explain. It's a huge blessing for me, and to meet him as well. The prayer that he did to me, it was really really amazing. If when I talk, I get the goosebump out here, because the problem that I was facing was, it was a very very bad phase. So God sends the right people at the right time. So I'm very very happy. Thank you very much, Pastor, for all the prayers that you have done for me, for my family, for my kids, for my team as well. He's been praying. So thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Okay, God bless you, and the Lord be with you. And remember, if it is any problem in your life right now, just call on Jesus. He's always there to help you. Dan ringkat senda ban Ïarap. Thank you.